Hey guys, so the first product that we are going to have a look is the ROG MJOLNIR. This is a 1200 watt portable UPS that Asus ROG actually teased as a April Fool's joke earlier this year. According to Asus, 1200 watt system power, you can play up to 30 minutes of game time. And if you down tune it a bit to about 700 watt, which is equivalent to about a RTX 4080 system, you can have up to 1 hour of game time. The design, which is exactly like what a MJOLNIR is, look to THOR. The handle here is actually a torchlight where you can just lift it up and review a MagSafe wireless charger. And the torchlight itself is also charged wirelessly while on top of the UPS. Pricing is unknown yet, and we're looking at Q4 this year or Q1 next year for release. Next up, we are having a look at these two brand new PSU. First one, which is the ROG THOR 1600 Titanium 3 and the ROG STRIX 1000 watt Platinum. So the main thing that Asus want to highlight on these two PSU, which is the Intelligent Voltage Stabilizer. And just look at the brand new sleeve cables. You will see an additional purple color 2-pin plug that goes directly to both PSU here. And this 2-pin IVS is only at the PSU end, like they say, intelligently stabilizing the voltage of the entire system. And now we are having a look at 4 custom PC, and ROG is giving this a ROG BTF Ecosystem. And what does BTF stands for? Back to Future. So this is actually a some sort of custom casing. As you can see, it's quite obvious it's a Cooler Master NR200 case, and they custom it in a way to kind of fit the huge GPU of the current generation. And what is special actually, if you come closer here, there is no longer the GPU connector on top here. Last year in Computex 2023, they actually introduced the back connector GPU on the tough cut, right, where there is no longer any cable, and now they are doing the same with the ROG series GPU. For traditional GPU, you will be able to see the cable actually coming off from top and going in. So now there's no more cable, and the connector to the motherboard is just purely the Asus Golden connector, as we mentioned last year before. So this 4 PC here is actually still in prototype design. Release date and pricing, of course, is unknown yet. We are excited to see what ROG can bring more on this ecosystem in the future. Right, just now we were in the ROG booth. Now we are actually in the Asus booth itself, just directly across. I'm going to show you 2 brand new upcoming motherboard that Asus are going to introduce. This is actually the similar as last year's one that we saw, the back connector motherboard, if you can remember. Now they are introducing a brand new one that supports the latest AMD X870 chipset, and obviously the Z790 Intel one as well. And this is the all-new ROG Maximus that supports the upcoming Arrow Lake next generation Intel processors. It will be on sale in due time once Intel announces their Arrow Lake processors. I think earlier also you have seen the back connector ROG STRIX 4090. Last year it might look a bit like a gimmick, but this year Asus is really pushing forward for back connector to be a mainstream thing. So we are definitely going to look forward for more product lineup that supports cleaner look PC in the future. Alright, now we are having a look at the 3 brand new ProArt series monitors from Asus. Firstly, the highlight is the 32-inch 8K monitor. It comes with a built-in calibrator and also comes with what they call a Lux Pixel technology, which is essentially a anti-glare matte finish, like what you see with the Apple Nano display. Right, you get the idea. And next, we also have a slightly smaller 27-inch 5K display now. And similarly to the 32-inch, the 5K 27-inch display also comes with the Lux Pixel technology and with auto brightness control as well. This is another 32-inch. This is a 4K 240Hz QD OLED display. That explains why it is shiny. It is actually excellent for gaming and of course content consumption as well. No pricing information and release date. I believe not too far in the future. And this is the ROG Swift OLED PG32UC-DP, world's first OLED gaming monitor that has a dual mode. A single switch switches from 4K 240Hz refresh rate to Full HD 480Hz refresh rate. So that is something new, because 4K 240 is no longer new this year. There's already been a few panels from different brands, but Asus is now the first one to introduce the dual mode. Also comes brand new with this monitor is the adjustable monitor stand. According to Asus ROG, this stand is an optional accessories. Also, the brand new ROG light bar as well, that you can adjust the temperature and brightness. Again, optional as well. And that concludes our tour for both the Asus and the ROG booth here in Nanyang Exhibition Center for Computex 2024. Let me know what product excites you, but maybe not so. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you guys again in the next video. Bye bye.